Hey Tom, it's Nikki over here at Dave Wright. We spoke on the phone earlier about getting that maintenance reminder reset in your Outback. So I'm sitting in a Touring right now so I can kind of compare to what you're looking at and try to help you out. So from the main screen here, if you're not already here, just hit the home button and that gets you back to the main screen. From here, you're going to hit car info. When you do that, it gives you different things to click on up here. So you're going to go ahead and hit maintenance. Then you can go to your engine oil. You can update that if you need to for every 6,000 miles. Oil filter, tires, and the maintenance schedule. So it should be the maintenance schedule that you're going to hit. Hit update. I've already done it on here, so it should update it back to 6,000 miles for you. And then once you get closer to that, it'll start reminding you again. But this would be what you would go into. And again, how I got there was I just hit the home screen. From here, I hit car info and then maintenance. And you can go in and click the little sprockets for the settings on those and change all of them if you want to, or just oil or maintenance, whatever you want to change on there. Just go ahead and hit the sprocket and change it. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, let me know, but this should save you some time driving back up here. And you may need to reset it on here and then shut the car off and turn it back on in order for that reminder to disappear. So any questions, feel free to contact me. I'm happy to help and sure appreciate you guys, and have a great night.